What's up, squeegee slingers? Today we are talking all about getting residential. Let's get at it. First off, you have more time or you have more money. You usually don't have both. And there's two big ways. If you have more time and money, do door hanging, flyers, things like that. If you have more money than time, go with the EDDM. That's gonna be every door direct mail through the post office. The post office? It's a bit more expensive, but you can cover a lot more space. Both of those are good options, but remember with EDDM, you have to do it properly. You have to make sure to send the same piece to the same people once a week, 3 weeks. If you just send it one time, you're gonna have not a great return. Another awesome way is Facebook ads. Facebook. It's so targeted once you get into Facebook. They know a ton about you and it's local. You can go and put ads out there to search out the people that you're looking for, the people that have the interests that you're looking for, and your typical avatar. Facebook ads are also one of the cheapest ways to go because the targeting is so good. Remember, as a side note, you can do a Facebook page for your business. It's absolutely free, and it's another great place to put content. Another thing that people always forget about is the repeat customer. I always talk about the dentist close, and that is exactly it. Make sure to reschedule them once they're happy. They're excited at your service, they love what you do, now they trust you, get them to do the service more often. You're just making them happier more times. And finally, SEO. Now, this one does cost money. Of course it costs money, but it's the best thing you could possibly do to get new customers. SEO is search engine optimization, and it makes your website get found. You have to find a great company, and you know who I always talk about, but a good company exists very seldom compared to a bad company. And there's a lot of garbage out there, so make sure that you find the right company. Well, that's it. If you like these videos, they're nice and quick, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want more content, remember, WCR Nation is the podcast. It comes out every week, and each episode's 30 minutes. Go ahead and download that also. It's absolutely free. And remember, I'm a rep for WCR, and I want to be your rep. So call me, text me, let me put your orders in, and until next week, go out there and be epic.